Hi guys, so this week for reading we are still talking about poetry. And if you remember, a poem is a short poem. It has few words on each lines. It may rhyme with the next line. It may have just a few words per line. And it may have a song that goes with it. Just like Happy Birthday is a poem. But we all know when we say happy birthday, we sing it. Or when we talk about row, row, row your boat, it has a song that goes with it. The poem that we talked about last week, the Cinderella poem, it had a song that went with it. It also had words that rhymed. Okay, so those are features of poetry. Say features. Good, I heard you. So this week, we're going to read a poem, but before we read it, I want you to get out a piece of paper and a crayon, just one color crayon for right now, okay? So grab a piece of paper and one colored crayon, okay? All right, now that you have your paper and your crayon, I want you to draw all about what you know about bats. Say bat. Bat. Good, I heard you. So you're going to draw everything you know about a bat. Okay? I am going to give you just a little bit of time, and then we will come right back and talk more about what we're going to do next. Okay? See you in just a second.